Hey everyone, I am doing a review for the Eyebrow Wax Strips Kit that I received as a gift off Amazon. And this is the box that it came in. So there are 56 strips in here. It does say 28 double-sided. And then there's 4 calming oil wipes in here. I also want to point out that it says it's effective in 3 seconds. Using natural formula, it lasts up to 6 weeks. And then what's interesting is it has a lemon fragrance to it. So that's really cool. All right, and on the back side, just want to note there is an expiration date. These are good for 3 years. And then the directions with the visuals, it's right here. So pretty self-explanatory here. And then we'll go ahead and open this up just to see what's all in the box here. Okay, so I do see the 4 calming wipes right here. And then we've got the 56 strips all kind of packed into these here. So what I love about this is that you've got everything that you need with easy directions here to wax your eyebrows.